What if I told you there's a place so secret that government denied its existence for decades? This is Area 51, one of the most classified and mysterious places on Earth. But what exactly is hiding inside? Let's uncover the dark secret of Area 51. Officially, Area 51 was created in 1950s to test top secret aircraft like U-2 spy plane. Later, it became the testing ground for cutting-edge technologies like SR-71 Blackbird and stealth bombers. But some believe this base hides something much bigger, something otherworldly. In 1947, a mysterious object crashed near Roswell, New Mexico. The military first claimed it was a flying disc before quickly changing the story to a weather balloon. But leaked documents suggest that the wreckage and possibly even alien bodies were secretly transported to Area 51 to study. Could this be where reverse engineered alien technology led to modern stealth aircraft and even advanced energy weapons? Meet Bob Lazar, a former physicist who claims he worked at a hidden facility near Area 51 called S4. According to Lazar, the government was testing reverse engineered alien spacecraft using mysterious element 115 that could bend gravity itself. At the time, element 115 didn't officially existed, but decades later scientists actually discovered it. Was Lazar telling truth all along? Over the years, there have been hundreds of reports of a strange fast-moving object seen near Area 51. Even military personnel and commercial pilots have spotted objects that defy physics, moving at impossible speeds and making sudden direction changes with no visible propulsions. Could these be secret government aircrafts or something not of this earth? In 2019, a viral internet movement planned to storm Area 51 to see the aliens. Though only few hundred people actually showed up, it brought global attention to the base once again. But here's the question, why so much secrecy if there's nothing to hide? Is Area 51 just testing ground for advanced human technology, or is the truth far more mysterious?